All right, guys, so coming off the last video, I don't know if you guys seen it, but if you have it, I ran into some issues with the riser cable and the standoff that came with the case. So this is too short. I had issues with it connecting with each other, with the PCIe and riser cable. But then I remembered I have standoffs on the ready, so nylon, but it still do the job. So I use this to get the height needed to get the riser cable up and connected to the GPU. Ha! Your boy is always on the ready. Now look at the inside. It looks pretty neat. It looks really good, especially with the offset of the GPU. Throws off the black a little bit. It was just so much black in there, I couldn't take any more black. So I had to cut it down, and luckily I had this GPU, to pop this in here. I think there's I do have another GPU, but it's broken apart. That'll be the 3090. I have to put some new thermal pads in there, but that's a whole different topic right there. So this is how the back of the GPU after installing this bracket. I close off 3 of the slots. I just gotta screw this one in, but this is how it will look, guys. Pretty nice and neat. So all I have left to do is connect the GPU, which shouldn't be a problem. And let's see the side, tidy up the cable network, and then get the panel screwed back in and cover these wires. And there we have it, guys. I got the case, well, I don't know what you call this thing here, the plastic door. I got this thing back on, no issue. Let's close the glass door, and it's in. There we have it. No issues. It's all there. Close it again. No issue. All right, top slots are back in. This gimmicky tray is back in. Silly stuff. This could have been a screen too. But overall, guys, looking pretty good. Looking really neat, if I don't say so myself. All I have to do now is connect the GPU to the 600 watts. Okay, GPU is connected all the way in, I might add. Okay, everything is in, guys. So now I'm about to get this thing turned on. But first, let me get this panel back on and move it to where it's going to be on my desk. Now, this is my first time actually utilizing this motherboard, the X570 Extreme. I've had this for a while, but never really used it. So this is my first time actually using this motherboard and taking full advantage of the specs, as well as this 4080. First time utilizing this to the full extent.